Hi everyone, we've already seen how to tokenize the text in the previous video. Let's look at another important feature of NLP, which is lemmatization. It is an essential part of natural language processing that helps clean and normalize text data. Lemmatization is especially useful when you want to group together different forms of a word so they can be analyzed as a single item. Let's take a closer look at what lemmatization actually is, why it's useful, and how Spacy makes it easy to implement. It is the process of reducing words to their base or dictionary form called a lemma. For example, the words running, ran, and runs can all be lemmatized to run. The words is, are, am can be lemmatized to be, because that's the verb, be. This process helps simplify our text by grouping related word forms together, making it easier to analyze without losing the essence of each word. You can think of it as providing a context to the machine to understand human language better. It is a powerful tool for many NLP applications, such as text classification, search engines, and sentiment analysis. By reducing words to their base forms, we avoid the problem of handling every single variation of a word separately. This helps improve consistency in our text data, reducing noise, and boosting the performance of our NLP model. So without further ado, let's look at how we can implement lemmatization in Spacy. We import Spacy, we load the English small web model, and then we create a doc. And this is the sentence that we'll be using. I was standing on the stage. Okay, so let's have a look at the lemmas. So what we'll do is we'll run a loop through the doc and we'll print out tokens and then its lemma. So you can see the lemma for was became be, standing became stand. Okay, and let's change the sentence here. Let's just put some words, arbitrary words: ran, stood, fed, runs, and what else? We can write dancing, and you'll see the lemmas for ran is run, stood became stand, fed is fed, runs is run, dancing is dance. That's all about lemma for now. I hope you have a better understanding of what lemmatization is. I know this was quite a short video, but as we build projects in the coming videos, you'll get a deeper insight on how it makes things easier and more optimized. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.